morning. So for today's video, we're playing game 3 against the brothers and father and son. Ayan, the father. The father, kunwaring father. Good luck, brother. Game 3. So for our match today, straight up na mga straight up na. Straight up na. So, hindi pa nga kami dumidikit sa inyo. Okay, so currently the Cortez brothers, they are leading the series 2-0. Tapos friendly wager lang. 100 pa rin ba? 100 pa rin, no? 250. Oh, 250 pala wala. 250. Ang winner.
Sir.
Yeah, every game.
Every game.
Hindi tayo games, hindi tayo ano.
Tayo?
Wala. 250. Oh, tama. 250 pala. Okay, let's see. Good luck mga brothers. Okay, game 3. Kumbaga sa playoffs, kailangan naman home court advantage which is walang plus. Okay, let's see. Alright, starting game 3. Hole number 10. Playing 147 yards. Okay. Same strategy. Una si Doy sa lahat. Tapos ako sa putting ang mauuna.
Wow.
Okay lang. Huwag ka lang bunker ka agad. Kala ko malalagyan mo ng ano yan.
Nice shot.
Kaliwa lang ng konti.
Wow, yun.
Yun ang dikit. Oh, buti na talaga walang plus. Walang reaction si Dodong. Okay, unfortunately, sumabit sa puno ang aking tira. 30 yards to the flag. Ay, kanan. Ano to? Kaliwa ba to? Kanan? Right to left. Hindi ko na masyado aggressive. Drew, ayan o. Daya. Subo pala yung sikit. Ay, ang bilis. Fred, the Cortez brothers, putting for birdie to go an early 1-up lead ulit. Mahina. Bagal. Okay, we need to make this left right. Ako na una sa putt para makita mo.
Diyan, huwag ka makialam dyan.
Alis ang grip. Okay. To win the hole. Patter at. Oh, okay. They're in for par. Okay, must make kami. Must make.
Pasok. Wow.
Kulang din sa kaliwa. Alright. Okay. One up.
Halata
One up.
Halata yung
Good.
plus.
Oh. Ganyan naman lagi kayo nag-uuna eh. Tapos hindi na kami makakahabol. Okay, next hole. They're currently 1 up. Hole number 11. 295 yards. So kung safe na si Doy, I will go for it with the driver. Ay, too much. Tama na. Kung safe ka, Doy, mag-driver ako mamaya. Okay. Driver tayo. Driver.
Grabe
Hindi.
itong maman to.
Pinaasa mo lang kaming magbabunker kunwari.
Wow, good shot!
Patong na yan, gaga. Jabong!
Wala.
We are taking Doy's tee shot 130 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Pitching wedge na lang siguro. Hitting pitching wedge. Okay lang yan. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
Kulang pa sa pronate yun.
Patong pero kanan.
Dito lang. Nasa...
This is the Cortez brothers' second shot, taking Andrew's tee shot. Mga around 90 yards lang or 100. Yari na naman tayo, Doy. Buti na lang walang plus talaga.
Wow.
Nice shot, brother. Ay, lumabas. Okay, they have this spot. Pag na-shoot na naman to, 2 down tayo. Birdie man eh. Okay, for birdie. Nakuha na naman, Doy! Nakuha na naman! Ito na naman tayo. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa iyo. Na Mikey tayo dun. Na Mikey. Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Si Jong patulugin mo muna. Nagsama pa sila ni Bray. Okay, hole number 12. They are now currently 2 up. Ganun din, parang may plus din. Plus 4 na pala sila dapat kung meron. Okay, it's playing 147 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Yari talaga tayo Doy, ha? Draw. Yan, okay, patong. Pininahan mo lang yung bunker. Okay, nice shot, brother. Bunker. Nice shot.
Solid. Shot.
Okay. Both teams are almost on the green. Si Fred and Drew chipping for birdie. Ako muna. Chipping for birdie. Kami, we're taking Doy's tee shot, putting for birdie. 7 paces kami. Ano tingin nyo, right to left? Ano bigyan mo?
Sangkat.
Grabe naman! Ay, medyo malayo-layo. Isang cup sa kanan. +1.
Tama.
No?
Wow!
Isang bola. Pwede pa nga hati-hati.
Hindi ba bagal, ano?
Yes. Wow! Nice birdie.
Ano yung isang bola? Oo. Isang bola nga lang.
Sabi ko parang
Alam mo bakit yung damo rin kasi nakita ko yung damo pero para at least nakita mo yung break. Good par. Okay. 1 down.
wow.
1 down.
Good birdie.
At least naka-birdie din. Pero even par kami. Okay, 13th hole. We are currently 1 down still. 4 right!
Nice shot. Shot hole.
Fairway. Ay, pumasok. Walang kaglikot-likot. Okay, we're taking my tee shot. Parehong bad tee shot kami. Need to take our medicine. Punching out. Make it a 3-shot hole. Wag kang napinahan pa tayo. Okay. Okay. Advantage Cortez brothers. They're in the fairway, kami struggling. We are punching out again. Cortez brothers going for it in 2. Ganda ng drive ni Andrew. They are left with mga 200 yards to the flag. Ay, nakast. This is to go up and down for par. Left with 115 yards. Ay, nakabig. Laglag. Okay. Okay lang. I got you.
Abot mo. Kick right. Okay, nice shot.
Fred and Andrew left with 50 yards to go up and down for birdie. Second shot. Short lang. Okay lang pala, patong. Tsakanan lang. Malupit talaga. Mahirap lang downhill. Uphill. Okay. Fred and Andrew putting for birdie. This is to go 2 up. Pero malayo.
Nice spot, nice spot.
Oh, hindi ganun kalaki. Okay. We need to make this for par to half the hole. 4 paces. Ipo-firm ko to, Doy, ha? Dun sa dumi, nakikita natin. Kulang pa.
Ilang gamay.
Dito. Labas kong konti dyan. Dito.
Nasa bola pa dun. The hole. Mahina! Yun! Woo! Kala ko mahina eh. Nice putt partner. Okay, all square. Woo! Ganda ng putt na yun. Okay, pero to half lang yun eh. Puro punch out.
Tama lang talaga si Sir Luigi
Oh.
lagi nauna.
Para nakita yung buti lang yung putt ko medyo end over end nakikita. Okay, nice putt partner. Nice putt partner. Okay, hole 14. What a clutch putt by my partner. We are now still 1 down for 510 yards. Ganda. 4 ah, 4.
Grabe yun. Nice shot.
Giving niya, naramdaman kong either o.
Yes.
Kanan lang.
Okay lang yan.
Nag-bleed lang.
Yung sa'yo, iPhone kasi yun.
Oo.
Ang quality ng iPhone.
Ito sa likod. We are taking my drive a little left lang of the fairway. Ayun, dun ka nga naka-aim. Andrew and Fred's third shot to go up and down for a birdie. And short. Sumabit. Pero patong pa rin oh. Nice shot, Fred. Grabe. Ay nako. Grabe tong dalawang magkapatid. Ang lupit. Patong na naman si Fred. Pero a little far from the hole but still on the green. Si Andrew. Ay sumabit sa kanan. I-attack the the pin. Landed before the bunker. We are taking my shot 85 yards to the flag. Pero mga tirang 65 medyo matalbog. Kanan. Ayun. Okay.
Stop.
Yeah.
Short, sir, short. Okay na.
Both teams putting for birdie. Medyo malayo lang si Fred and si Andrew. Kami, we're 12 paces. Malayo din. Okay.
Kalating tap.
So halos sa bola. Mahina.
Nice shot.
Isang cup bibigay ko doon.
Ang ganda na ba? Uy!
Malaki
Nakita mo gumanon sa gitna oh.
Walang balik.
Oo, gumanon.
Ba't hindi nag-break?
Okay. Fred and Andrew to half the hole. Ate. Merlin ah. Na-shoot na naman. Okay. We 1 down.
Mukhang makukuha
1 down. Sana. Huwag mo munang batiin. Hindi, joke lang. Nakita yung break eh. Uy, speed lang. Okay, all square. Okay. Buti lang. Nice spot, Doy. Okay. Hole number 15. We are now back to all square. Mababait yung mga Cortez brothers talaga. 442 yards.
Wow.
Yun, okay.
Ganda nun. Yes.
Parang mas malayo talaga yan, Doy.
Malayo talaga.
Drew favor. Oops. Nahahawa sa akin si Fred ah.
Ay siya. Nauhuli.
Pareho na naninibago pa sa timing pareho. Dito kasi nag-experiment parehas eh. Okay, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Left with 220 yards to the flag. Safe mo lang. Safe mo lang. Safe mo lang. Laglag.
Nice shot. Wala nag. Wag. 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 Okay, good.
Drew and Fred's third shot. Ganda naman nun. Wow naman. Grabe yun, Fred. Grabe naman yun. Patong or not, bro. Ang lupit ng tirang yun. Nice one, Fred. Lumalabas yung laro ni Fred magkampi sila eh. Tapos magkalaban tayo. Grabe yun ah. Nice shot. Ganun din. Good shot, brother. Ganda. Okay, we are... Hindi, wag tayo magmadali. We are not in a hurry. 27 yards. Left to right. Mabagal. This is to go up and down for a birdie. Tama. Up and down for birdie. Third shot. Ay, kumanan. Kumanan. Okay lang, brother. Ayun. Kulang pa. Hindi, babait talaga kasi uphill eh. Pero
Uphill to 60.
Drew and Fred's to go up and down for par. That's their par putt. Tapos si Andrew pa. Andrew to go up and down for par. Ay, short.
Nice shot.
Hey, we have this putt to win the hole.
Ikanan, ano?
Diretso ako.
Diretso ka. Huli. Huli. Mahina lang. Uy, mahina lang. Ganda. Sakto.
May kaliwa talaga, may kaliwa.
Sakto.
Ay! Left inside pala. Sayang. Uy, biglang hindi na bumali, no? Bumibali, tas... Ay, sayang. Good putt, brother. Good putt. Ganda, no? Okay, to half the hole. Ito na naman si Jong. Jong, di na kita kukunin yan pag ganyan. Mas madalas ako maglaro kay Fred. Nakuha nga! Uy! Ay. Okay. Kuha. Uy, ganun na ganun. Brother, first time natin mag-up into two games. Right, hole number 16. We are finally one up from the blue tees. It's 100 yards. So I'm hitting a full 56-degree wedge. Ay, kumaliwa lang. Na-pull. Okay lang.
Ay, medyo takbo lah. Hole in one mo. Hole in one.
Uy, wow.
Nice on. Pusak.
Side spin eh.
Baliktad mo.
Pag ganito,
Akala ko naman yung spin niya pabaliktad kasi naka-aim talaga ako sa O. Ganda rin. Yan ang may chance. Kasi spin eh. Ay! Sayang! Sayang! Ang ganda ng kay Fred. Ang ganda ng linya. Sayang.
Akala ko yun na eh.
Oo nga. Give me range. Yan din! Kaliwa lang. Malaking spin.
Uy, short.
Nabati si Branyo eh. Okay, both teams putting for birdie.
Dito tayo.
Kami. Okay. Paul, bibigay ko dun sa light brown na yun.
Ipasok mo!
Diretso na naman. Nag-right to left pa ng konting-konti.
Ako, tingin
Gitna
ko.
mo na, Doy.
Diretso ko.
Gitna mo na.
Nice! Ay! 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 Kulang lang sa tulak.
Diretso ka kulang sa lakas.
Fred and Andrew for birdie to win the hole. Laki ng bali. Nasobrahan. Pace talaga, no? Pace talaga nagkakatalo pag downhill. We were able to half the hole. We are still currently one up. Hole 17. It's playing 183 yards.
Ay, shot. Win one.
Win! Uy, bunker. Solid yung tama eh. Ay, Dialix.
Uy.
Kaliwa. Tama na. Maabot din. We are taking Doy's shot. Kasi mine is in the bunker. So, 50 yards to the flag. Mga tirang 35. Kumakanan lang ah. Ay, ang hina naman!
Nice shot.
Okay, Fred and Andrew to go up and down for par as well. Layo ng par putt namin. Galing! Ganda niyan, Drew. Okay na. Left to right naman talaga. Hindi lang bumali na sobra. Both teams for par.
Ito pa naman itong mga pat na ganito.
Oo nga, ito yung pinapanalo mo eh. Yung damo left to right.
Ito yung pating.
Ang bigay mo dong? Ay, ikaw.
Inside ako, sir.
Right inside. Oo, kasi yung damo ng left eh. Okay, isang bola ko sa kanan. Dadagdagan ko na lang ha, para makita mo yung break. O yan, sa kaliwa nga oh. O gusto mo diretso ko na lang. Tingnan mo na lang. Kaliwa pa nga oh. Hindi ganun hindi sobrang bagal.
Oo.
Kaliwa. Binigay mo ba kanan?
Diretso ko.
Diretso. Di, kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Kita, kaliwa. Isang bola sa kaliwa ang kabigay ko. Okay, to win the hole. To go back to all square. Nakuha! Ay! Pangalawa na! To win the hole. Yun na! Okay. That's good, brother.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, both teams make bogey. So, we are still currently one up. So, 18th hole, 380 yards. Laying up with a 50-degree wedge. Okay. Good shot. Good shot.
Nice shot.
Grabe.
8 a.m.
Shot. Kanino ka?
Hindi matunog eh, no?
Oo.
Any ako eh. Kasi first parehas eh, di ba?
Yeah, first pa rin yan. Kaya... Shot na.
Tama na. Tama na, draw. Tama na, draw. Ano ba, draw? Nice shot, brother. We are taking my tee shot 230 yards to the flags. Pumasok.
Okay, safe.
Ang ganda ng patama. Bunker. Right before. Parang before the bunker. Nice shot, Fred. Ganda. Solid.
Nakikita mo yung shots mo.
Yun, ganda rin.
Ganda. Go, 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 go.
Alam mo, hindi ko in-expect na before the bunker siya magkikerry. Akala ko dun eh. Both teams made it a 3-shot hole. Sila Mr. Cortez. Mga 50 yards pa siguro to the flag. Bite. Sobra. Went over. Maganda yan. Maganda yan! Oh, nice shot, brother! Ang lupit nun. We are taking my second shot, 30 yards to the flag. Ano to, left to right? Kanan. Bumubuka yung pitch mo ngayon, brother. Ay, sumasipa! Okay lang yun. Medyo ramdam ko naman na nanip yun. 4 paces left to right. Kulang pa, oh.
Di laylay masyado.
Kulang pa rin, no? Sabi sa inyo kulang eh. Kulang talaga, malaki talaga to. Oo. Good putt. Uy!
Nakakabig ko yata. Nakakabig mo ba?
Medyo, parang. To win the hole! Uy! Hey, start of the front. Start of the second 9. We are still 1 up. 471 yards. Okay.
Oy!
Mas tumaas nga.
Mas maganda nga doy, oh. Mas maganda yung flight. Ayun, oh.
Ay! Uy! Nice shot! Uy, kaliwa rin. Ganda. Perfect yan, brother.
Solid.
Beautiful shot. Nice shot. Ako, kanan. Ito na yung... Okay, sige. Play safe lang ako. 7 iron na lang.
Good shot!
Ay, tama na. GUR naman yun. Tama na. Parang sampal lang konti lang, ano? Taking my second shot. 92. Ang ganda yan. Isang malaking bounce lang. Parang before the green. Oh, before the green, before the hole. Nice shot, partner. Okay. 60. Hindi, 60 lang.
Kabig. Green, kasukot.
Fred and Andrew. Third shot. Go up and down for birdie. Sama ng third shot ko. Pulled it really bad. Lakas lang. Yan ang maganda.
Pasok na yan, oh. Pupasok na.
Nice shot, brother. Okay. We need to make this. Ang lapit na nila, Andrew. 11 paces. Isang grip ang bigay mo? Okay.
Up, down.
Isang grip bibigay ko, brother, ah.
Isang grip. Okay. Pasok na
Pasok
yan.
mo!
Hina.
Lo,
Uwi na ako.
Tama yung linya.
speed lang. Nabomba. Oh. Par.
Okay, to win the hole. To get it all square. Good putt.
Nice.
No doubt. Ganda naman kasi clutch na clutch yung third. All square. Nice putt. Ganda ng basa ni Bry Pitt. Galing basa. Huwag mo nang ulitin yun, ha. Ikaw rin, Jong, ha. Huwag mo ulitin yun. Alright, hole number 2. We are now back to 8.9. We are back to all square. Average.
Ganda doy. Wow.
Oo nga. Mas bagay yung in-adjust mo ng ano. Ay, wag lang dyan.
Mas
Pumasok.
Uy, napupul sa ano ah.
Yan ang maganda. Nice shot, Fred. Sa'yo naman na sa'yo naman kumakanan ngayon. We are taking my tee shot. Butin lang sobrang kumaliwa. But this tree is slightly in play. 160 yards to the flag. 166 with the wind. So I'm hitting 166. Hitting an 8 iron. Oh, clear na clear. Okay, safe brother. Good shot. Nice shot. Oh, yun, okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang, basta fairway. Oo nga eh.
Uy, mababa, sumapit. Okay, lusot.
We are taking Doy's second shot. Mine went over. Pumunta sa bunker. 81 yards to the flag. Bite. Bite. Okay. Ay, doon nag-carry. Sakto sana.
Bite lang.
Okay, they are putting for birdie. Kami putting for par, layo. They might go one up to this hole. Na-shoot pa. Uy. They are now in for par. We need to make this 18 pace.
Oo.
O pang one up to kung sakali ma-shoot nila. Okay, hindi. Must make. Kailangan mong bombay, no? Bomba na yun. Mahina pa rin. Yes! Alright, hole number 3. Grabe ginawa nila, Drew. They were able to get into regulation sa hole number 2, so they parred it with bogeyed. So they are now currently one up. Hole 3, it's playing 180 yards. Hitting a 7 iron. Maganda.
Nag-net ka ng 250, no?
Oo. Ay, short.
Medyo... Nice.
Kumaliwa lang ng
Oo
sobra.
nga, nag-draw lang. Oh.
Bunker mo?
Wow! Wow!
Wow! Kaso bunker.
Draw lang din.
Bunker din. Nabilis ng karma.
Uy, for 300,000! Takbo! Takbo! Sige pa!
Nice shot! Nice shot!
Huminto lang eh. Mga one club pa yan.
Okay, Fred and Andrew. They are taking Andrew's tee shot. Ay, hindi. Kaya ano pala ito kay Fred? Fred's tee shot. Oh, lumagas na. Yan, babait yan. Gusto mo pa i-3 points ha? Okay, we have this spot to go back to all square. Maliit lang to sa kaliwa. No? Yung damo lang to eh. Slope pa right to left. Ikaw, tingin mo dong. Merlin. Left edge? Left inside ka? Sige. Hati-hati ko. Dadagdagan ko ng konti. Kasi yung damo eh. Mukhang ano pa rin.
Pasok. Yes! Nice birdie.
Yes!
Okay, all square.
Hole number 4. We're back to all square. Okay. 324 yards.
Wow! Nice shot!
Ay.
Nice shot!
Oy! Ngayon naman nag-draw. Nako, ganun din.
Nice shot!
Doy and I, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 80 yards to the flag. Pero this is severe downslope. Mga tirang 65. Aiming for that, the tree here. Kasi it slopes to the left. Tapos sila Andrew. Buti swerte. They're safe. Kikik left one. Kalag sasabit. Yun! Okay lang! May paganda pa! Angat! Ay! Sayang! Okay lang, okay lang.
Maganda yan.
Ganda yan.
Maganda yan, brother.
Bounce. Bounce.
Up!
Akyat!
Ay, umangat.
Have a very difficult chip shot. Malaking right to left. Ganda yan. Mabilis pa rin yun. Pasok mo, baby! Nice shot, okay. Okay. Nice shot. Nice shot!
Labas pa ng camera.
They have the spot to go one up for birdie. 50 na siguro, 50-56. Sobra na ang pitching wedge. Sakto lang. That's good, that's good.
Sigurado ako.
Kulang sa firm.
Kinabahan ako na.
Hindi, pero hole number 5. Sorry, go ahead, brother. Hindi ko alam kung yung yardage pa eh. 110. So we are still currently all square. Malakas yung hangin eh. Patong. Nice shot. Ako na behind.
Nice shot.
Okay lang.
Ay, ala.
Kantuhan mo.
Yung ano
Tapbol eh.
yung truck.
Ang ganda!
Ganyan.
Maganda! Ay, laki ng bounce. Pareho kaming masamang tee shot ni Doy. We chose mine slightly easier. Left to right. 35 yards, brother, to the flag. Hindi naman sobrang bilis to eh. Naalala ko. Di ba? Mabilis lang sa regular. Left to right. Yun! Takbo! Sige pa. Okay na yan. Good shot, brother.
Okay. Tama na, tama na.
Okay, Mr. Cortezes, Boss Cortezes, have this spot to win the hole again for their birdie. Maganda, maganda. Laki ng bali. Naku, maganda, maganda. Muntik na naman kami saan, Mr. Raimundo. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, okay. Must make. Okay, at least to keep the match all square.
Yes! Nice par!
Pero alam mo okay, that was a good up and down. Okay, at least all square pa rin kami. Okay, hole number 6, 343 yards. Okay, let's go. Buti lang, hindi na shoot yung putt ni Fred. Ay, ganda. Sabi ko, wala, nakuha na naman. Akala ko nakuha na naman. Okay lang. Fairway pa rin yan. I don't think stymie yan. Oo, okay yan. Mga 120, 130 to the pin na next.
Draw. Hindi nag-draw.
Yun. Okay lang.
Sayang.
Favor, please.
Sana natin.
Yun.
Wow.
Just like that. Just like that.
Joke lang pala yung trade. Okay, dikit ng laban. We are taking my tee shot. We're left with 90 yards to the flag. I think this is a little left to right eh. So I'm hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Or medyo controlled kasi it's downwind. Sila Fred and Andrew slightly closer. Mga 80 plus. 90s na rin siguro to the flag. Go! Tawid mo lang. 3 points.
Sailors.
Down! Down!
Wag ka sobra.
Yes!
Okay, very nice.
Letrang A! Letrang A!
Sailors ang target mo din sa letter A.
Okay. Okay. Ang tagal ng posing ko dun. Sabi ko, sana maganda, sana maganda. Okay, ito ay Fred and Andrew. Uy, nag-open. Safe mo lang. Okay. Para si Andrew. Nako, short. Go! Okay. We have an opening. That was a very good approach. That was a clutch shot. We have this spot for birdie. Sila Andrew, medyo malayo pa. Pero huling naglaban tayo ng mga ganito, yung ikaw yung nag-shoot ng ganyang kalayo eh. 'Di ba? Yung pang pang all square. Game 1 yun ng season 2 eh.
Oo.
Okay for birdie. Clutch to. Naku, parang malaki. Malaki. Our birdie patch as well. Mahina. Mahina. Tama na. Okay. This is to go one up.
Yay! Labas!
Pinagbigyan mo pa kami.
Asinta. Yes! Wow! Nice birdie!
Butin na lang. Nice one, father. Okay. One up. Okay, buti lang. Si Ate Merlin, malakas magdasal. Ate, pero magpayong natin. Tsaka, shoot mo na sa bulsa. Hole number 7. Finally, we're back to one up. Playing 327 yards. Dog leg right. Baka nga uulan mamayang hapon. 4! Tumama ka sa simento. Yun, okay lang. GR yun.
Ala! May window.
Ay, ganda. Ay, naku, baka pala stymie.
Yun.
Tawid mo. Or sumabit ka. Isabit mo. I had a terrible tee shot. Sobrang nag-slice. 180. 160 to the flag. Hitting a 9 iron. Yung tira niya, uy, samahan naman ng sipa. Bunker po. Okay lang brother.
Ganda!
Wow. I love you.
Green yan. Bounce. Short lang. Nice shot na yun. Alam mo ba sir, sumabit pa ng kaunti.
We are taking my... Dalawang grip? Okay, we are taking my second shot. 21 yards to the flag, left to right. Sila Andrew also. Third shot.
Kalahating club.
Ganda na yan. Makeable. Nice shot. Ganun din. Ay, nag-ano lang sa fringe. Okay. Left to right. 20 yards to the flag. Hindi. Okay. Unfortunately, hindi namin napindot. So, we are now putting for, both teams putting for par. Good. Joke lang. Okay, malaki oh. Mahina ang loob ko. Akala ko mahina. We need this putt to half the hole.
Akala ko rin, di abot. Tayo na pressure ah.
Isang bola mahigit.
Pasok na yan! Nice par! Okay.
Medyo may doubt. Okay, hole number 8. Buti na na-shoot namin yung putt namin. Okay, we are still currently 1 up. So, hole number 8 is playing 160 yards against the wind. Hitting an 8 iron. Okay. My fellow vlogger, yeah, shout out. Follow nyo channel din niya.
Oh, please, please.
Yan.
Name ko, Friedrich Cortez.
Friedrich Cortez. Lalagay. Ano to?
Link it.
Link down below. Oh, halatang hindi pa sanay. Link description down below.
Wow.
Okay, partner! Nice one, Dad. Nice one, Daddy. Parang ang pangit palang pakinggan ng nice one, Daddy. Para akong sugar baby. Para akong sugar baby.
At pusa, nakabig. Buti na lang, magaling si sir.
Oo nga eh. Maganda rin. Maganda rin. Clutch din. Hulin mo. Ay, ganda. Lahat parang dinikit mo ngayon yung par 3 ah. Nice shot, brother.
Fred, pasensya ka na.
Para clutch putt by Doy and all. Clutch shot by Doy and Fred. Yan, grabe pero dikit na sila, halos gimme range.
Next time dalawa.
This is for our birdie. Oo nga, tapos silang dalawa magkampe. Yan, lapit na nila. We need to make this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Grabe, gimme range. Okay, teka. We need to focus. We need to make this. Kasi if ma-shoot natin to, dormy. Pag na-shoot nila, last hole. Parang deciding hole. Left to right. Maliit lang. 9 paces. Parang tingin ko kaliwa eh.
Kaliwa ako.
Kaliwa ka din?
Maliit lang eh. Oo, halos maliit lang.
Right inside?
Lalagyan ko ng konting labas. Kasi yung damo pa rin eh. Kanina pa yung damo eh.
Pataas na?
Oo. 9 paces.
Lagyan mo lang.
Lagyan ko ng isang bola, Doy. Ha? Isang bola sa kaliwa.
Ay, bakal. Kulang sa speed.
Wala, iina yung pat ko.
Wag naman.
Pasok mo, pasok mo, pasok mo.
Hindi pa mali.
Grabe yan.
Okay, for them to win the hole. Natural birdie for Fred. To go back to all square. What a clutch.
Nice spot.
Natural. Okay. Good birdie. Ganda naman nung napaka-clutch na ginawa nyo nun. Ito yung mga bad trip i-edit eh. Na masaya. Okay. All square. Down to the last hole. Last hole. Sakto lang talaga no? Sakto lang talaga yan. Birdie. Grabe. Okay. Last hole. Winner takes 500 pesos. Okay, last hole. Hole number 9. Decision hole. 511 yards. Okay. It's either, ano na lang to? Hati-hati. Kung sino manalo.
Fade mo pa. Take right. Yun, ganda na. Yes. Nice. Buti na lang.
Kanan.
Keep turning. May sakong bola ko.
Nice shot.
Okay. Huwag ka lang magbangka.
Hindi yan.
Laki ng talbog. Okay lang, safe.
Nice shot.
Safe lang.
Take right mo. Tapon mo.
Ganda. Shot.
They took Fred's tee shot. Oh yes! Ay. Okay, they took Fred's tee shot. Medyo madikitan ng laban. Ito yung sasabi ni Andrew. Magkakatalo sa second shot. Uy, they're still left with 280 yards to the flag. Pero hindi pa pwede pumalo si Drew. Aabutin. Pero slightly against the wind. Kaliwa lang.
Balik mo.
Dad, may opening tayo, Dad. Pumasok. Pumunta sa hole one. Hole 1. Hole number 1. Hindi hole in 1. Hole number 1. No point of ano. Okay, go. Hindi, sige, let's play it how we want it. Okay, we have an opening second shot. We're still left with 270 yards. Okay. Okay lang yan. Kick left. Nako. Okay, matapang tao kami. 3 wood. Bahala na si Batman. Okay.
Puta, pumuswak.
Alright.
Sa may ano?
My ball. Nag-slice yung bola ko. Grabe, 90 yards to the flag. Punch out lang. Aiming for this area. Need to carry it over the green. Pero to the pin is 90 yards. Yun, buti lang sumabit. Angat! Ay! Sayang. Ate, sayang buti lang tumama.
Hindi, mas maganda hindi tumama. Yun.
Ang hina, Luigi. Na bola. What a terrible shot by myself. Grabe, nabukol ako masyado. We are left with 30 yards to the flag. Sila Drew are putting for birdie already. Kami fighting for par. 30 yards. Nakong alalay na alalay. Okay. Ate, pero mo 60.
Bite. Gaba. Okay.
Putting birdie kayo, di ba? Oh, putting birdie. This is two. They have 2 putts to win. Kami putting par. Layo mo pa. Okay, kunwari pinapaganda nila. They have that putt for par. Kami putting for par din ni Doy. Okay, Andrew. To win the hole. To win the match. For the win! To win the match! For the win! Sabi na! 3-0! Grabe naman! 250 na naman yun! Dalawang clutch na butas yung nangyari doon. Aray ko po! Ang sakit! From behind! Tsaka layo ng birdie! Buti walang Olympics!
Sabi ni Fred, kasi di niya na-video yung kanya. Sabi niya, di bali.
Dapat nung kumanan na si Doy,
Ako dun sa shot, ganda niya.
nag-driver ako, tapos 3 wood ako, tapos nag-slice sa kanan. Gusto ko na i-layup.
Sabi mo yung iron mo.
I-layup ko na nga. Tapos silang tatlo. Go! Kaya ako naman, mabalik ako pabuyo.
Sabi nga namin, nag-uusap kami, dapat lagot, i-iron na lang yan ni Luigi.
O para play safe lang.
Yung next shot, patong kayo.
Pero kung na-shoot ko rin yun, wala rin talaga. Ay, naku, maling decision.
Tapon sabaw. Lakas.
Sa last 2 holes, ano? Last 2 holes.
Birdie!
Sus, gasol sana.
Ate Merlin. Maraming salamat, Merlin. Ang sakit ng talo. Good match, brother. Down 3-0.
Game nakachamba.
3-0 na.
Oh, grabe.
Kumbaga, sweep tayo sa sa best of 7, brother.
Best of 11 to.
May plus. O tayo na may plus sa susunod. Nice shot.